welcome back again to my channel. In today's video we are making rice stick. Some of you I don't know what rice stick is. This is it, and you're about to find out today how it's done. So I have everything set up here. I'm about to go through everything. This I got it from the rice stick. They call these what? Angel hair. Definitely look like hair. But yeah, this is it. I got it from the store for $1.29. So I'm gonna use 2 packets of it. And I got my tomato here. This tomato is for when I'm gonna blend the pepper together. So I'm gonna blend the tomato. So let me just put the pepper here. This is my habanero pepper. I'm gonna use 5 of it. And I got my, what am I saying? Yeah, habanero pepper. That's habanero pepper. And this is my bell pepper. I already sliced it. See how small and nice it look like. I just dropped some. But okay, yeah. And this is my onions. I sliced some onions too. This is just we're not gonna blend this. So the only thing we're gonna blend in this video is this one with the pepper. And this is my fish. I'm not going to use all of this fish. I'm going to use some of it to put in the rice sticks. So yeah, because I have some chicken here. This is some African chicken, a strong one. Yeah, and tomato paste. We're going to need 1 can of tomato paste. And the thing that I use to season my fish and my chicken is some black pepper, some tomato, chicken flavor. This is the 2 things that I use to season these 2 chicken and the fish. So we're about to go to the stove and start. So now the pot's done dry. Now pour me oil and come start doing my. Okay, now we're gonna put the blend tomato, pepper. Now put a seasoning inside. You don't have to use my seasoning if you don't want to. I'm putting a full spoon of white Maggi. You don't need to use my seasoning. If you don't want to, you can use your own. And put a little bit of chicken flavor seasoning. And 2 dolly, 1 shrimp. So now I'm about to put my tomato paste. And I'm going to put my chicken inside.
Seriously? This nigga can score penalties? I really fuck up. Right. Let me play you again. This time 12 was 90.
A pinch of salt. Leave it to cook. So now we're about to put our rice stick inside. When you're cooking rice stick, make sure you don't have too much water. Make sure you basically cook your the stew like gravy of itself. Look, make sure it doesn't have enough water, just a little bit. Because if you put a lot of water, now poto rice stick you will get. I promise you that. So put it on top. For a second, I thought that was green, white, and blue. I was about to say, oh okay, that's how nice. But yeah, so yeah, put it and then make sure you turn it. Make sure it doesn't have water, like seriously, because if it does, you guys stick them for it. Okay, the thing I'm about to do is, like I put plastic pan, so it will steam. All we gotta do now is just leave it to steam. And before you put your plastic, I prefer you put plastic because that's gonna make it actually to steam a little bit good. Before you put your plastic, make sure you sprinkle water around, because you know I like pot so. Okay, now I'm just gonna put my bag around it. Make sure it covers it really, really good. And you close the lid. You close the lid. You put it on the low heat. On a low heat. And you leave it for like about 15-20 minutes, and by the time you get back, it will be done. So everything is done. It's fine. So get there, you know. Everything is done. Oh my gosh. Huh. So this is done already. I just want to like mix it really, really good. So everywhere can have the gravy.
How about you take this step? Every step you take, you can do it.
I feel like I'm not getting the good angle for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share my video. I love you guys so much. This is my rice stick. It was really, really, really good. When I say really good, it was really, really good with the pig feet. Don't forget, later.